Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see about wearable technologies. After the invention of smartphones, wearable electronics are the biggest innovation of the world of technology. Wearables are electronic technology or devices incorporated into items that can be comfortably worn on the bodies. These wearable devices are used for tracking information on a real-time basis. They have motion sensors that take the snapshot of your day-to-day activities and sync them with their mobile devices or computer laptops. Next slide.
Types of wearables. Smartwatches. Smartwatches are likely the most commonly known and most commonly used wearables in the workplace today. Connecting a smartwatch to a smartphone enables the wearer to read and send new messages from their watch, eliminating the need to hold and view one's phones. Fitness tracker. The modern successor to pedometers, fitness trackers monitor steps taken, heart rate, calories burned, and a range of other fitness metrics. The distinction between fitness tracking devices and smartwatches has become very small. These are some of the images of the types we have discussed. Head mounted display. This takes you to a different world of virtual reality and it provides virtual information directly to your eyes. Sport watches. The wearable devices is especially built for sports personnel who love running, cycling, swimming, etc. These devices come with GPS tracker and records information on the user's face. Smart jewelry. Smart jewelry is the logical conclusion of the ongoing research into how to include health tracking capabilities in smaller wearables. The most prominent kind of smart jewelry might be a smart ring. Smart clothing. Smart clothing can provide deeper insight than smaller wearables, enabling advanced tracking for both medical care and lifestyle improvements.
Evolution of wearable devices. Wearable technology is a huge consumer trend, and the IT and technology experts at Nestor don't envision this slowdown. With Apple and Android smartwatches now extremely popular, there are a plethora of options for people looking to purchase wearable tech. Luxury brands like Tag Heuer are also joining the smartwatch trend, making wearable technology increasingly fashionable. Moreover, wearable technology has a big part to play in the fitness industry, with brands like Fitbit producing advanced fitness tracking technology, and Seiko released the first ever smartwatch in 1998, named the Seiko Raptor. In terms of the standard of the technology used, it was a long way off from the smartwatches that we seen today. More recently, Apple released its first smartwatch in early 2015, selling approximately 4.2 million devices in the second quarter of that year. As mentioned earlier, Fitbit is another brand that found success with the wearable smart technology. Fitbit's products are designed to accurately track their owners' health, fitness, and sleep regimes, um, giving them the all important data to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Since their inception in 2010, they had set approximately 90 million devices.
Slide. Future of wearable devices. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, AR/VR headsets have become more and more prevalent in our society over the past several years. It's predicted that wearable will be the one to grow in popularity. So naturally, companies are finding new and innovative ways to apply them to our everyday lives. There is a lot of speculation about the wearable tech will develop in the future. Some predict that technology will become so small and it will be intertwined that the fashion and clothing make it most visible. It's also likely the technology will extend beyond watches and bracelets. Aura, which was already released in Aura Ring, which works similarly to smartwatches in its ability to track health and fitness. Although significantly, Aura Ring is also able to track body's temperature and more accurately than most ever wearable tech due to its position of the body. Lastly, It's also likely that wearable technology will become more energy efficient using solar cells or body heat to power devices and removing the need of energy. Next slide. The role technology plays in our lives is rapidly growing as we become increasingly dependent on it and less willing to separate ourselves from it. Predicting the future of technology landscape is difficult, especially when it comes to determining the special products and features. It's only in recent years that computing has been small enough to be carried around and worn comfortably on the body. So it's likely that devices will become even smaller and more wearable. Additionally, because of lots of wearable technologies collects data on health and fitness, it's also possible that it could be a conducting factor to future medical advancement. Either way, it's clear that wearable technology is developing at a rapid rate and that devices are becoming even more useful, wearable, and desirable. Thanks for watching and like, share, and subscribe our channel.